I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Choose your niche and 3-5 target keywords so every short has a purpose. Then plan 1-3 shorts per day for the first 30 days to collect fast data. Film vertical 15-60-second clips with a clear hook in the first 3 seconds and optimize lighting and audio. Once filmed, batch edit using templates, add keyword-rich title and 2-3 relevant hashtags, and upload immediately to start the growth loop. Once you have uploads pouring in, focus on optimization and audience signals. /B test thumbnails, titles, and open hooks every 7-10 uploads so you learn what boosts watch-through rate. Make sure to add captions and a punchy call to action in the last 2-3 seconds to drive follows. Include a one-line end screen prompt. Also, repurpose longer videos into 15-60-second highlights to multiply content. As you analyze retention graphs, double down on formats that retain 50%. To finish the process, scale what works and keep tracking key metrics. Increase successful formats to 60-80% of uploads and maintain a test pool of new ideas. Check CTR, average view duration, and subscriber conversion weekly to spot trends. If growth stalls, immediately refresh your thumbnail and opening hook, re-optimize title and hashtags, and test a different upload time. One key troubleshooting tip: if reach drops across many videos, remove underperformers, then re-upload a trimmed version with a stronger hook to re-trigger the algorithm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.